bro,
Yes.
nice jersey
Oh, thank you bro.
Jersey France 2006
Yes, betul.
Tapi kenapa nombor 4? Siapa? Nombor 4 siapa
Yes, because my idol is Patrick Vieira from Arsenal legend.
So you fans Arsenal lah?
Yes, to be honest, it's a little bit hurt, but yes, it's true.
Oh, so you macam sad because losing Champions League
yeah,
final.
obviously, yes.
Tinggal sikit belakang. Oh, Vieira So your favourite player Arsenal? Vieira.
Yes.
Other than that?
Obviously Thierry Henry.
Okay.
Robert Pires, obviously most of them from Arsenal lah.
Okay. So this season, this World Cup season, so you supporting France?
France, and I have two teams actually. I because I watch most of Premier League games, so I support France and England.
France and England. France because of Mbappe.
Yes, Mbappe, Saliba, William Saliba.
Saliba.
Yes.
England?
England,
Saka.
we have Eze, Madueke.
I see, Madueke. So, who do you think can win World Cup this year?
I think it's gonna be a tough competition, but I gonna choose France, obviously.
France,
France.
because of the squad depth.
Yes, squad depth. They have a good sub player, a good starting 11.
But really nice jersey, yeah.
Yes.
2006 is a final, right?
Yes, it's final.
And they're losing.
Good, they're losing. It's a little bit hurt, but yeah, it's a nice jersey to wear.
Yeah. You're always on the losing side.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks again.
Alright, thank you, bro.
Alright.